Hello guys, it's Kay from Chelsea Car Club. Today we're on our way to Go Bob, based out of West London. They are the main UK distributors for the Optima Pro steam machine that I use. We're on our way over there. Of course, before we go there, you know we have to go to Costa and get a coffee. So I've had the machine a few months now, probably like a couple of months, and basically I want to go down there and I want to just kind of sharpen up my knowledge, get more familiar with the machine. I'm going to be bringing my colleague with me, and yeah, just have a really good talk with them and just generally get more comfortable with using it and see if there's anything that I can learn. You can never know too much, so the more practice I get with it and speaking to other people who use it, they might know similar methods or slightly different methods of how they use the machine. Hold on, let me hold it. I need this latte right now.
Make it home.
Hi there, please can I get a caramel latte?
Medium caramel latte?
Yeah, medium caramel latte. And could I get cheddar and roasted tomato.
Okay, I'm really sorry, but we don't have any. I only have the 3 cheese and chutney, vegan ham and cheese toasty, tomato mozzarella panini, sausage and onion toasty. 3
cheese and chutney. What's that?
It's 3 cheese and chutney. It's 3 cheese and chutney.
What do you mean? Yeah, I know.
3 cheeses.
Yeah, all right. No, let me just get the coffee for now, please. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go down there. That just ruined my whole experience, man. I'm going McDonald's, man. But I understand you probably had a busy morning, probably had 200-300 cars come through the drive-through and ask for this particular sandwich. I get that, and you're probably getting a little bit frustrated. That's retail. I come from a retail background myself. You anticipate you're gonna get annoyed and frustrated, so you know how to deal with it and not cheese off the customer who's spending money at your place of work. It's not that deep here. She said they've only got 3 cheese and chutney. What chutney? It's 3 cheese and chutney. No, not really. I just take my coffee, but I'm just saying that she's rude, innit? Alright, you're right. That, guys, that's a lesson that not everything always goes to plan. I planned to give you a nice entertaining intro to the video you're about to see, but Costa, they was rude to me, made me take an L. I didn't get to have the sandwich I wanted this morning, so I ended up going to McDonald's. The silver lining in that whole situation is life doesn't always go to plan. That's my first bit of education this morning. Life doesn't always go to plan. Things don't always go to plan. What you have to do is you have to adapt to the changes. So I went to Costa, I never had my sandwich. Person taking order was rude to me. I had to adapt to my change in mood, change in circumstance, and I had to go to McDonald's instead. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I'll meet you over at Go Bob. All right, cool. So we're here, we're down at Go Bob. This is the unit. I'm here with George, Kairos, and we're going to be getting a proper thorough demonstration tutorial to extend our knowledge, sharpen our tools, and get more familiar with the Optima Steam machine. It's an absolutely phenomenal machine. You're going to see exactly why I chose it and why I swear by it, and it's better than anything else out there. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is going to be the car that we're going to be training on today. It's a 1998 Honda Prelude SEII S-Spec, super rare. I'm not familiar with it myself. I've never seen one live in the flesh, but it's had a bit of a slight clean already, but we're going to be having like a refresher. We're going to be doing things on the outside. We're going to be also doing, let me show you here, the carpets. So we're going to be showing you exactly how we can effectively clean carpets, interiors, upholstery on seats. One other thing we're going to be cleaning as well is baby seats. So a lot of you who have child seats and stuff in the car and want to get those refreshed and all safe and bacteria free, we're going to be doing that. And yeah, just a general look around the interior, exterior of the car, and we're also going to be learning how to effectively use our tools, our formulas, stuff like that. So yeah.
Right, so what you've got the roll works here, and use steam to loosen it up.
So basically what we're about to do next is we're going to be using the Optima Steam machine to clean the interior upholstery carpets for the Honda. Now obviously it's a 22-year-old carpet, so we're not going to be able to get everything off. They're quite heavily saturated, but you're just going to see the before and after. We're going to do a 50-50 comparison so you can see the difference properly as to how effective this machine is. So George is just about to do the grand reveal.
Right.
50-50.
So we're about to take this off, right? About the seat. This is a control area over here, so allow any spillages. And this, compared to what it is before, you can already see a huge difference. Now, certain stains we can't remove. Things like age-old wasabi, I would imagine that would be. We can't do that. But as you can see, there's a significant improvement over what it would be before and after. Bear in mind that this car is 22 years old and it's probably seen better days. So, here you are. This is out of an Audi, and what we're going to be doing is, as you can see, this is your day-to-day wear, and we're going to be trying our best to fluff up a bit more of that carpet over here that's gone flat. Bear in mind some of it's already gone, but we'll do our best to see what we can do to bring back up the condition. As you can see, the fibres are completely rejuvenated. Where there was a flat spot, obviously there's still a bit of one there, but as you can see, the carpet's a lot more rejuvenated. It's puffed up to the point where it looks like it's almost like new. So here you go. This is the benefits of steam.
I'm about to get this all, it's rust in it.
No, just got it stained.
Stain.
Yeah.
Music 105 CD. Let's see. Yep, good as new. Look at that.
Right, so what we're going to be doing is cleaning a child's seat. As you can see, there's a bit of staining right over here. Yeah, and quite a lot of dust down here. We've seen worse, but this will do for now. So what we want to do is apply our lovely secret recipe, which is Wonderworks, onto the seat.
And that's already been applied to the brush, hasn't it?
I have to, yep, you apply it to the brush directly, not onto the seat, because it is a high foaming agent. So what you do with that afterwards is grab a microfiber cloth, work in a zigzag motion. Wipe dry. No brush needed, just a wipe dry. As you can see.
Back to black.
Indeed.
And that hot pressure steam has actually got rid of most of the little dust and biscuits and whatever else was left in the seat. Looks, brand new. Nice.